What's up, guys? I just wanted to give you a quick video since I haven't made a video in like 3 weeks. I just wanted to let you guys know the S4 is still waiting on transmission. These are most of the parts: shifter linkage, 2 turbos, a couple of 03034 Motorsports parts, which I thank them for. So I'm gonna start getting more videos out, but it's April 15th, 17th, something like that. It's mid-April. It's still snowing in Illinois, so I can't really do much projects. I don't know. Maybe oil changes, tire changes, brake jobs. I don't think those will be fun. So if you guys want to see them, then let me know. I gotta do the wife's X5 rear brakes and an oil change on the new S4. Other than that, that's a duck. So I gotta do that. I don't know. I'm trying to film more of the fun stuff than the regular stuff that you can find anywhere on the internet. But yeah, I just wanted to just give you guys a heads up that I'm not neglecting any of you guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this quick update. I'll see you guys later. Peace.